Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And today we're going to be looking at a few exciting products that a company called Fiberborne and Leatherborne have sent me. So this is a Texas-based company from the USA that are producing some fantastic phone cases. They contacted me, said they really like my channel, which is great. Big thank you goes out to them for saying how much they like my channel. Really appreciate it, guys. And they asked if I'd be interested in showcasing some of their products on my channel. So I picked them up on the offer and said yes, I'd love to, because I had a look at their website and they look great. So what they are is they are a Texan-based company run by two ladies who are really nice to deal with, really pleasant to deal with. Big thank you for how well they've handled sending stuff out to me, and collaboration with them has been great. So what they do is they've got a company called Leatherborne and a company called Fiberborne. So they produce Aramid fiber cases and leather cases for phones. So they're a relatively new company, I think. I've not heard of them before. I think they've just set up and they've just started up and they're producing some fantastic products. So they've sent me some samples here. So let's start off with looking at their fiber side of the cases. So they've sent me a OnePlus 13 Aramid fiber case and an S25 Ultra Aramid fiber case. So I got this wrong at first. I was thinking that this was going to be carbon fiber, and I was thinking I've never tried a carbon fiber case before. I don't know what they're like, and it's not carbon fiber. It's Aramid fiber, aerospace grade Aramid fiber, which is different to carbon fiber. Apparently, carbon fiber for phone cases is no good because it conducts electricity not very well, so therefore it blocks your phone signal and everything like this. So I did some research into this, and Aramid fiber is really good for phone cases. So if you ever see a carbon fiber case, don't get it. So these are Aramid fiber, and it's aerospace grade 600D Aramid fiber. So this is the different levels of quality as well. I didn't know any of this, and it's really interesting to know. So the aim of these cases is to make your phone feel like it's not wearing a case at all. So it's stronger than steel as well, which is amazing. I couldn't believe this. I was reading about the Aramid fiber, and it's stronger than steel. It's stronger than stronger and thinner than steel. So it's you're getting a case here that's lighter weight, stronger and thinner than steel, which is amazing. Like, the technology going into this is incredible. So these are designed in Texas and manufactured in China. They said that they wanted to manufacture them in the USA, but they couldn't because they couldn't find a manufacturer. They had to go out to China to manufacture the cases, which is very common and very the same with a lot of companies. But the quality of the manufacturing is fantastic. I've had no problems with it. So I've test drove all of these cases on my devices over the past few weeks, and I've had no problems with the manufacturing whatsoever. So let's start off with the design of the cases. So as you can see here, I'll show you lots of B-roll shots on these. The actual design of the casing and the when I did the unboxing, I'll show you the unboxing of this case as well, because it's presented in a lovely wooden box with a screen protector on the S25 case, and also it came with just a really nice unboxing for a case. Yes, they are a bit more expensive, so they start about $65, so they're not a cheap case, but I would always pay more for a quality case. I've had some terrible cases before in the past, and they've not protected my phone at all. Whereas I've dropped this phone, the OnePlus 13, in this case, and it protected it really well. And look how thin it is. It's incredibly thin. The case literally is millimeters thin. I couldn't believe this when it arrived, and it snaps shut to the phone perfectly. Everything is just manufactured to precision. So you've got all the cutouts for all the holes here on the top and the bottom here, and I know some cases have like a gap here, and I don't like that. This one hasn't, so it's protected all the way around, even protects the camera perfectly, and just has a cutout here for your rocker switches on the side. So it feels, and it doesn't add any weight to the phone as well. It's like using no case at all, and it's nice and grippy. The Aramid fiber feels like it's nice. It's not going to slide out your hand like most cases. Some plastic cases just feel like they're going to slide out your hand all the time, and also plastic is no good for the environment. So it's nice to see manufacturers using a different type of fiber here, which is much more durable, will last longer, doesn't mark as easily, and feels like you're not using a case on your phone at all. So that's on the OnePlus 13, so I think that looks really good. It also has built-in MagSafe on both these phones, so the magnets built, because I know OnePlus don't build magnets, and neither do Samsung, into their phones, but there's a lot of MagSafe accessories out there. So for example, here I've got the OnePlus charging stand here just to demonstrate this. It will wirelessly charge perfectly. It will snap onto there like that, and you can use it next to your bed without having to buy any more magnets. So it fits perfectly with all the OnePlus accessories that use magnets, which is really good. And that's just built into the case as standard. Same with the S25, so I could use the the OnePlus charger with the S25 because it's magnetized on, so you can use it as a little nice little desk stand or next to your bed. And also they do a line of stands that go with your phone. So they sent me out this with it, which is a little like ring that attaches to the back of the phone here, and then it can pull out and become a stand, so you can stand it up. I get it right like that, so you can stand your phone up where you want it to if you're watching a film or your kids are watching it. It's really useful, and it just pops off the back here. So there's lots of they do lots of MagSafe accessories to go with this as well on their website. If you have a look at them, and different things that can attach to the back of the phone. So it's nice. You can do reverse wireless charging with magnetic headphones, for example, on the back of this phone, which is really cool. So it does look like carbon fiber, but it isn't actually carbon fiber. It's Aramid fiber. So I got this really mixed up and really confusing, but it's nice to see them using this high quality grade. So there's different grades. So there's a low quality grade, 1500D, and a 6000D. So this is the high quality Aramid fiber, not the low quality grade. So one thing you notice, as soon as you take it out of the box, it feels really high quality. It fits the phone perfectly. So both these phones fit the case perfectly and look really good. It's just different, look really different as well. Like, I've been walking around with these and people have said, where did you get that case from? And it looks really good. And I've had to say, online from America, it's not something I've seen in the UK or anything like it. And it just, I hate using cases mostly because they add so much bulk to phones. So it's just nice to have a manufacturer producing a case that's cut out perfectly for all the cameras and doesn't feel like you're even using a case. So they do these cases for a variety of different phones. They've got the iPhone cases, so they do it for the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Plus. They've got it for the Galaxy S25, the Z Fold 6, the S25 Plus. They've got it for the OnePlus 13 and for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold as well. So they're producing more and more cases as they go along. So I'm quite keen to try out some of these folding cases because the folding ones look really cool. So I might actually, if I get my hands on the Z Fold 6 Samsung one, I might order a Z Fold 6 case to try out. I'm really keen to try out the folding phone cases on these. I think it'd be really good because the folding phone cases add so much bulk to the phone, so it's nice to see manufacturers producing thinner and thinner cases for the folding design. So let's move on to the Leatherborne one then. So Leatherborne are the affiliate of the Fiber. They're the same company. They just produce leather cases. So they've just started up. So this one is, I think they do a Samsung case, which is the S25 and S25 Old Plus, and standard S25 and the iPhone 16. So the one they sent me here was for the S25 Ultra. So this is a lovely brown finish. It's got some really nice features on it, so it just feels really premium during the unboxing. It's about $60, so about £55. So it's a fair price for a leather case, and it's made from premium full grain leather, and it smells. I love that smell of leather. It smells like a really nice genuine leather case, which is really good. And as you see inside, if you open it up, so it's got a nice cutout for your phone here, and also it does three. So you can use credit cards, put your driving license in it, and it also has a cutout for the earpiece here, so you can answer the phone without having to open the front of the wallet, which is really nice. And it's got a magnetic catch here, which just locks in place here and just protects the phone nicely all the way around the sides. As you can see, it's like got a plastic rubber frame around the side, right around the back. So it's just really nice to have that. Really nice to have that protection, as well as being able to carry your cards around in a leather case, and it feels really good quality as well. So it's basically a wallet with a phone holder in it, and it does protect it. And one thing I do like about it is having that earpiece, because I don't always want to open it up, so it's nice just to be able to answer it like that as well. It also has RFID blocking technology built in, so people can't read your cards through the case, which is really cool, because I didn't know that was a thing. I know people do it with wallets, but I've not really thought about it with phones, so it's nice to see them actually implementing that in a phone case as well. So check these out online. I'll put some affiliate links down below. I've managed to get some good discounts for you guys from the company, so they've just started out. Please have a look at them, give them support. I love supporting smaller companies producing great products. I think it's really good. So just check out the link down below and have a look at their website, and they've got lots of guarantees on the product, so if you any problems with them, they will send out a new one, and they are premium guaranteed leather on these phones, and they feel it. Honestly, they feel really good. So that's Fiberborne and Leatherborne cases for you. So really nice phone cases, some of the best I've tried on the market, I think, and feel really premium and worth the extra money, in my opinion, spending on a phone case. So Thank you for watching. I hope that's been informative. If you've got any questions about these cases, drop me a line down below and I'm happy to send more pictures over or more details about them, anything like that. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.